Hey guys, it's Nina and I'm back with another video. So after much deliberation, I decided to cut the end of one of my locks. And I wish I had marked it. I don't know why I didn't do that for some reason, but I did a lint extraction on it. This is when a piece of lint is embedded in the lock and you're trying to get rid of it. A lot of people will use a needle. I used a safety pin.
So I'm like digging and digging and digging.
And apparently I did way too much. A portion of the lock began to get thin and then I had the end still hanging on. And obviously that was not a good look. And I really just got tired of it. And I felt like, you know, it's a new season coming, fall's about to be here, and I just want to start fresh. I think it's much easier to remove lint if it's at the end of your locks or if it's at the root where it's a little bit softer and a little bit easier to manipulate up there. If it's in the middle, that's where it can seriously cause a problem like it did with my locks. And as you can see, the entire core, just the integrity of the lock was completely broken down. And the truth about lint is that inevitably it's going to end up in your locks. It's really something that you can't avoid, and it's very important to make sure that you're inspecting your hair, that you're looking at it daily. I could have sewn it back. I have seen people who've done that on YouTube, but I was okay with cutting it because it really didn't affect my weight line as much. My hair is very layered, and as it gets longer, I think it'll even out a little bit more. I would have rather have cut it than have it fall off in a meeting or something, or fall off at lunch, because that just wouldn't be cool. That would be embarrassing. I'm just gonna go on record and say that every little piece of lint in your hair is not worth removing. Some people might not like that, but if there's a piece of lint that's obviously stuck on the ends, you can clearly see it, that's one thing. But if you're inspecting your locks and you see something deep within, I feel like it might not be worth it to try to get it out. That's just my 2 cents. I hope that you do not have to go down the same path that I did and have to cut one of your locks. You can sew it back if you don't want to cut it. I don't actually know how to do that, so I can't answer any questions about that. But you know, if you do, it'll be okay. Hair grows back. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think, and I will see you next time.